Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are in the UK and want to start with crypto, choosing the right exchange is really important. Many platforms exist, but not all are reliable or easy to use with UK banks. The crypto market is changing fast, and regulation from authorities like FCA are getting stricter. Because of this, you need an exchange that is secure, supports smooth deposits and withdrawals, and won't cause issues like frozen accounts or blocked funds. In my opinion, the best overall option is Kraken. It's one of the most trusted exchanges in the UK with low fees, strong security, and fast bank withdrawals. It also offers advanced trading tools through Kraken Pro, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. For beginners, Revolut is another simple option. It allows you to buy crypto directly inside the app, making it very easy to start. However, you don't fully control your crypto since it's custodial. I personally don't recommend Coinbase due to high fees and frequent complaints about account freezes and slow support, even though it's a popular platform. Other platforms like eToro and Uphold offer extra features like copy trading or multi-asset investing, but they usually come with higher fees. Binance has great features, but UK withdrawal restrictions make it less practical on its own. Overall, Kraken is the safest and most balanced choice. Revolut is good for beginners and the rest depend on your needs. But always be careful when choosing where to store your funds. Thanks for watching.